Does it get any better than barbecue bacon pizza? This one from Chasety has smoky barbecue sauce, crispy bacon, melted cheese, and red onion. In this review, I follow the recipe step by step, do a taste test, and discuss what worked, what didn't, and then give my final verdict. Make it or skip it. Okay, so this pizza was straightforward and easy to make. This was the first time that I used the Just Roll brand of pizza dough, and I didn't care much for it because it has what looks like ripples in it that stays even after pre-baking. I do like that it comes already on baking paper, which is convenient, but I won't buy it again. Now on to the pizza itself. I noticed right away that it wasn't going to turn out like the pictures I saw on Chasety's blog page and Pinterest pin. When you follow the recipe as written, it ends up looking like an onion and cheese pizza. And that also affects the taste, which we'll get to shortly. As shown in the video, I had an extra gluten-free ready-made crust on hand and decided to make another pizza, but changed the order of ingredients to match the pictures that I saw. That one turned out much better and actually looked like a bacon pizza. For the taste test, I decided to try each one and see how they compared. They're essentially the same pizza, just layered differently and with a different crust. I started off by tasting the piece on the right, which was as the recipe stated. It was very good, but had a noticeable onion flavor. I could still taste the bacon, but it was secondary to the onion. I took another bite to really focus on the flavors, and again, the onion was much stronger and noticeable. The recipe said to use thinly sliced onion, but next time I would use chopped onion, as I think that would work better for this pizza. For the sauce, I used Sticky Fingers Memphis style sweet and smoky, and it was outstanding. It has the perfect balance of sweet and smoky flavors. Now it was time to try a bite from the second pizza. Right away, I could taste the bacon and just a hint of the onion. This is how a barbecue bacon pizza should taste like. The bacon and barbecue sauce are the dominant flavors. I was very happy with this one and have made it this way again since filming this video. This is a very good pizza. I just didn't like how the ingredients were layered because it does make a difference in the overall taste. All things considered, I give this recipe as written 4 stars. The reason is because when I saw it on Pinterest and then on the blog page, I had an expectation of how it would turn out and taste, and the result didn't match that. But I think if you make a few tweaks to the order of ingredients, this could be a 5-star recipe. I do recommend it, but with the changes that I mentioned. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.